What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Robert back with another video, and today I'm going to go put my front bumper on. It's Saturday, the morning of SLAMMEDDENUFF car show. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along, put that bumper on, meet up with my friends. We're gonna head out. So let's do this. I'm back with the front bumper. Gotta hurry up and meet up with my friends, so I have to make this quick. Ooh, that looks good though. Look at that fin, man. Got it pretty right. Got it pretty right. Hey, turn that music down. I'm trying to block you.
Shut up.
Right. That's 3. And we got Lars. Got 1. Got a little yeet meat boy.
Huh?
Say something for the vlog.
Somebody.
Okay. Diego. You're already on film. You just got here on film. You got birthday boy.
What's up, bro? What's up?
Happy birthday, bro.
We're about to roll deep, bro. This is gonna be crazy. Stop
What
it.
it do? It's your boy Robert here, aka Chief from Boulder here, about to get into my new whip.
I thought you were reviewing it.
I am. Yeah, it's decent. Good clutch, 9 out of 10. Could be better.
Oh,
Get a little colorway going inside here, 10 out of 10. I could, you know.
Oh yeah. What car is this?
Fuck. Focus.
Oh yeah, Focus ST, nice.
Yeah, pretty nice here. Let's see the front. Follow me. I'll give you a 9.8 out of 10. Decent.
9.8.
On the part in the back.
I'm not trying to get his license plate.
Yeah, you feel me?
I know you're not leaning on much.
9 out of 10. Could be better. You feel me? On to the next car.
On to the next car. Okay.
All right. Here we got the big box.
The Jeep. Got the Jeep Cherokee.
It's pretty nice, you know.
Last member came here with the manual Jeep.
What's up, man?
I'm filming, bro.
Sorry. I'm trying to get you the address right now.
You're all good, bro.
What's up, Travis?
Yeah, bro. Your Jeep looks nice.
I was looking for a gray one, not a black one.
You painted it black.
Yeah, you didn't know?
I forgot. Ooh. I gotta get this. The manual Jeep. Dang.
Again, bro.
My favorite part about this shit is y'all complain about gas. Not backwards after. Bro, that's how you constantly complain about gas.
Just got to SLAMMEDDENUFF. And we're in the parking lot right now.
It's fucking freezing.
Does that shake?
Yes.
Then they're probably out of balance.
Yeah. As long as the wheel doesn't fall off, I'm good. Look how clean, dude. How's this? This is so low.
Seeing it in person, it makes no sense either.
I know.
Put my hand in it. It's bit. There's like a centimeter.
Got these pots in the back. So right now we're at the event, and yeah, I'm just gonna go around show the cars, and you're gonna see all the cool cars. Yeah.
I don't know.
Dude, I want to be able to show my radiator like this so badly, bro. It just looks so neat.
Oh, that's clean.
When it shows like that. Look at this Lexus. No, I haven't seen Austin at all. Seen Malachi.
Yeah, over there. Over where? I saw him over there.
tutorials, bro, but they work.
Yeah, a lot of people like know what to do, man.
Yeah, man, they really know how to do it. Look at their cars. This junk looks so shiny on the camera. Where did the X's other car I was talking about? Where's the car? I told you. I'm looking out for you. I know the type of cars. Can you believe this is a 1995?
100 times, maybe 200 times better than a person, bro.
Oh my god.
Follow me back to the front. Do you see this? And this big body is good with them. Oh, look at it from the front.
You might not be feeling headlights on my light. When you see the picture, like, it's always like that. Diego saw.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey Joe, say what's up to them, bro.
What's up, bro?
Here.
Oh, look at the interior.
Oh, you see it. Oh, yeah.
This is a mini.
Damn.
Yo, Diego, get your game up. Get your game up. Oh, this is one of the hood games, dude. These things are racing good. The blackout lights.
These things are all going out hard.
This jump is so good. Oh, okay. Got the detail. Yo.
This is a photo. You can replace that with that. I'm sorry.
Oh,
here's
look.
Target.
I love this. People are doing Ford Fusions and doing this. And that's what you can do with the Sinatra. This is the Fusion.
You can do it for the Nissan.
Look up a Ford Fusion. Have you seen it stop?
Oh, Joe, bro, come to the back of this after you're done, bro.
Holy.
Yeah, yo. This is it. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. Oh, it's Diego. Huh?
Is this the one that we saw?
Dude.
No.
I think it is. We saw a Ford Fusion.
Because it has the lip.
Yeah. Dude, this is the guy from Instagram.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Dude, this is the
literally.
guy from Instagram.
I had his thing put up, dude.
That's hilarious. Dude, it looks a lot cleaner in real life. Very cool. Alright, Michael in the back. We just finished doing all those cars that you saw, and we're about to dip out. I don't know how much more. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And